Hi everyone. We are going to change our teaching learning practice uh, from this new academic session. Everything is going online. We don't know how long it will proceed. So we should be prepared for online classes. There are so many tools and techniques which may help us to make our online classes in a better way. So today we are going to learn a small technique with our mobile, uh, which may help us in making the online classes in a better way. So the name of that technique is OCR. You know that OCR is optical character recognition. Actually, what does it means? If you have a full page text matter, it is printed matter. If you want to change that matter into a Word format, we can do it. Normally, if we want to give a copy of this text pages to a student, what we will do, we will directly take a photo of that, and that will be in a picture format that we will send to them. Sometimes it may be very difficult to the children because the picture may not be clear. Sometimes it not be legible. So it is a better way we can convert that matter, text matter, into a Word document. How it is possible? We will do it now. Okay, first of all, open the camera, your mobile camera, and we are going to take, for example, here one textbook is there, 9th standard history textbook is this. The first chapter is French Revolution. The first page itself, full page is on the screen now. We are going to take the photo of this. While taking the photo of any text matter, we should hold your camera lens straight up on the matter, and better you off your flashlight. When it become very clear the text matters, take the photo. Now I taken the photo. Minimize the screen, and that photo is available in our Google Photos. You know the Google Photos. I will mark it here. Here is Google Photos. So I will open it now. Google Photos. The last is here, French Revolution. The same textbook matter is here. Below this, you can see, mark it here. One icon is on the bottom of this mobile. 4 icons are given. First, you know that left side it is a share icon. Last one is a recycle bin icon. Left side of that one icon is there, that is Google Lens. If Google Lens is not available here in your phone, you can download it, Google Lens app, from the App Store. Then you can do with this. Now I am opening this Google Lens. Okay, now the matter is there through the Google Lens. Now what we have to do is select the whole area, text matter. I am selecting it. You know that this selection, drag it and cover the area. Now the whole text matter is in a different color, which is selected area. From here we can copy the text. Left hand side you can see the icon copy text. Now the matter is copied. Minimize the screen. Now we will paste the matter into a Word document. Here I am opening this Office Word document. Here my phone have a Microsoft Office similar to that of a computer. If you don't have this Word document in your phone, you can have another option to download the Word document that we will discuss later. Now I am proceeding with this Word document. Here the home screen is there. Bottom of this home and one plus symbol is there. Action buttons are here. Now the plus symbol, if we touch it, there notes, lens and documents are there. Now click on the documents. You will have a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, similar in the Office documents in the computer. So we are going to paste the text matter into the Word document. So new Word document I opened. Now hold your finger on the white area. Here one toolbar key. Select all and so many things are there. Left corner it is a paste symbol is there. Icon is there. Paste it. Now look, the matter is completely covered here. French Revolution. This matter you can edit it. Look, I am editing it. Now if you want to change the font color, you can change the font color. Here font color is there, a red color. I want this. Okay, you select the area, whatever changes you are doing in the computer, same thing, everything is available, and this is bold letters. And the right extreme right there is one arrow symbol. You can take that. Now the complete options are there. Highlight, then font color, again clear format is there, bullet, numbering, paragraph, style, font, everything is there. You can do it. Now we are going to save this matter. This is a Word document. So here home button, if you click there, you will again get options: insert, draw, layout, review, views, that page layout, everything is there. Now going back, here three dots are there. Click on that dot. You will get it. Share, you know that, share it as a PDF. It is converting to PDF. There are other options, other area also where we can convert to any other format, not only PDF, any other Excel or anything. Now the save and save as, you know the difference, save button and save as button, and we are giving here we saved it, and you can save as, through save as you can give the file name, different file name also. Now it is saved. Now same matter can be taken to anywhere as a Word document. Whenever you want to edit it, you click it in this symbol. Again you can edit it. You can make it as a question answer model, the whole area, no need to type it, the whole portion again. That is the easy method. So this is about OCR, optical character recognition through your mobile. In many ways it will help you, and there are a lot of things inside this. Today that's all. Thank you.